Good morning. I brought WordBird here, who's going to introduce our words for today. So, WordBird, what do you have in here? Oh, we have two. The first one says near. Near, that means you're close to something. Baby animals need to stay near their mothers. Can you come up with a sentence using the word near? Try it. Go ahead. Okay, good. Our next word is, wait a minute, it rhymes with near. It says dear. Beth started her letter by writing, Dear Aunt Jane. Near and dear, they both rhyme, and they're our words of the day. So thank you, WordBird. The next thing that we're going to talk about are some digraphs that we've been learning over the last couple of days. We have our special sound, PH. It says f, as in phone or phonics. Then we have GH, quiet letters, silent letters, can be found usually next to a long I sound. So I have some words on the wall behind me, and I'm going to read some clues, and I need for you to look at these words and yell out as loud as you can the answer. And maybe I'll hear you, maybe I won't, but yell it just the same. Let's look at the words first. We have right, night, daughter, light, high, caught. These words either have a GH, silent, all of them have silent GH. So here we go. You ready? Get ready to call it out. This word means opposite of dark. Light, very good. This word means the opposite of low. High. This word is opposite of through. Like I threw the ball, what would be the opposite? Caught. Well done. This word means the opposite of wrong. If it's not wrong, then it must be right. This word means the opposite of son. That's right. You got it. Daughter. Good job on your guessing. We're going to talk about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but they're spelled totally different, and they mean totally different things. So let's look at this first word. It's got a special A-I-R sound in there. And you know from the other day that A-I-R says air in hair. So we can look at this word and say hair. This is my hair. You all have hair, and you probably have to wash it and brush it. Look at this bottom sound. A-R-E also says air, but it's not the kind of hair that you brush. This hair would be like a rabbit. Another name for rabbit could be a hare. Both of these mean totally different things, but spelled totally different ways. They're going to sound the same though, so you need to know the difference between hair and hair. A-R-E, A-I-R. All right. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Sentences have nouns, but sentences also have verbs. What is a verb? A verb is an action, any action you do. If I have these papers right here, I'm holding them, I'm doing that right now, okay? It's not in the past and it's not going to happen, I'm doing it right now. So, Mrs. Brown holds the papers. S means present. So if I take an action and I add an S at the end of that action word, it means I'm doing it right now. It's present. But what happens if I don't do it right now? What happens if I did it yesterday? Well, if it happened in the past, we're going to add an ed on the end of our verb because it's already been done. It's happened in the past. It's still action, but we've already done it. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. This word, I wrote it here twice. If I want to use one of these, like Mrs. Brown, if I want to do something right now, if I want to ask something right now, would I add an S for present or ed for past? Mrs. Brown asks. I'm going to add an S because it's happening right now. Mrs. Brown asks you what letter to put at the end. I just did it right now. So what happens if I have already asked something and I kind of already gave you the answer just now, didn't I? I'm going to add a ed if it's in the past. It's already happened. If I say, Carson asked his mom to go on the four-wheeler, Carson has already done it. He's already asked, and maybe he's out there having a good time right now. He has asked. This is past. S means present. You'll probably see some of that on your worksheet as well. All right, I'm going to start reviewing sight words every time we end our lesson together. So let's do a quick sight word review. Start with this word. Go. You're doing great. Phew, great job. Well done. Let's get to your worksheet.